They lost on the track, boy.
Sheldon, we did it. Today, I'm going to be building my own 100 subscriber cardboard play button. All right, I got this old shoebox. This is what we're gonna be using to make the play button. Let's cut it up. I just drew on some rounded edges. Now I'm gonna cut it. There we go. I just drew a template. I'm gonna cut this out. There we go. Now I'm gonna trace the triangle onto the button. Go. Now I'm going to attempt to cut this out. It ain't bad. Alright guys, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lay out a bunch of toothpicks. I saw this in another guy's video and I thought it looked pretty sweet. A bunch of toothpicks, something like that. So that's what I'm gonna go with. Now I'm gonna put some clear duct tape over it. That looks sweet. I really like how that looks. All right, so I just found this frame. It looks pretty much the perfect size. Boom. But we need to write congratulations, 100 subscribers, blah, blah, blah. So, there we go. And then there's a little YouTube logo. That looks pretty good to me. I like how that turned out. What do you guys think? There we go. There it is, guys. The cardboard play button. And there it is. That's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Again, thank you so much for my first 100 subscribers. Hopefully many more to come. But go ahead and join the Fish Gang, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and as always, I will see you in the next video.